Even before that, I have inquired some other things. So many of the things is that the hospital charges will be very high in the treatment level and everything. But now, after consulted KJ Reddy sir, I am not that much of expected. Myself, Mahesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Prakasham district. I have affected COVID in 2021. After recovered from the COVID, I have affected with avascular necrosis after 6 months. So I have taken the treatment for 1.5 years in several hospitals like Ayurvedic. I have tried in all the treatments, but I didn't get that much of expert results. I have consulted Dr. KJ Reddy sir with my condition. So doctor treated and they are given 3 months of time for the recovery. So the first surgery has been happened in the October first week in 2022. In the span of next 2 months, the second surgery happened for the right leg in the December 2022. Now which has been almost 2 years has been completed for my to taken the total hip replacement surgery. And after recovery also within the 1 month and 15 months, my life completely has been different before surgery and after surgery. Now I am perfectly fit for the everything. So there is no issues in my health condition. Next, coming to the hospital side, even before that, I have inquired some other things. So many of the things is that the hospital charges will be very high in the treatment level and everything. But now, after consulted KJ Reddy sir, I am not that much of expected. I would like to congratulate to the entire Dr. KJ Reddy sir team and that entire Apollo hospitals for their patience and for their branding. So I would like to congratulate Dr. KJ Reddy sir and the entire team. Thanks, guys.